Guangzhou, city of flowers, a city that seamlessly blends the old with the new, where ancient traditions meet modern innovations. Known for its rich history and cultural heritage, Guangzhou is a place where every corner tells a story and every street has a secret waiting to be discovered. Ancient port on the Pearl River Delta. This river has been the lifeblood of the city for centuries, serving as a crucial artery for trade and commerce. The Pearl River Delta is not just a geographical feature, it is a symbol of Guangzhou's enduring spirit and resilience. Here, the past and present converge, creating a unique tapestry of experiences that define the city's character, a place where history lingers in the air, mingled with the scent of jasmine and the promise of tomorrow. The fragrance of jasmine flowers is a constant reminder of the city's nickname, the City of Flowers. These delicate blooms are more than just a visual delight. They are an integral part of Guangzhou's identity, symbolizing beauty, grace, and the ever-present connection to nature. Here, amidst the bustling streets and vibrant markets, rises a beacon of modernity, the Canton Tower. This iconic structure stands tall, representing the city's forward-thinking mindset and its aspirations for the future. The markets, with their lively atmosphere and diverse offerings, are a testament to Guangzhou's dynamic and inclusive culture. A slender, twisting spire that pierces the sky, a testament to human ambition and architectural ingenuity. The Canton Tower is not just a marvel of engineering, it is a symbol of the city's relentless pursuit of progress and excellence. Its unique design and towering presence make it a focal point of Guangzhou's skyline, drawing admiration from all who behold it. The tower stands as a symbol of Guangzhou's transformation, its journey from ancient trading hub to modern metropolis. Over the years, Guangzhou has evolved, embracing change while preserving its rich heritage. The Canton Tower embodies this duality, serving as a bridge between the past and the future, a reminder of where the city has been and where it is headed. It is a beacon visible for miles around, drawing visitors and locals alike to its base. The Canton Tower is more than just a landmark. It is a gathering place, a source of inspiration, and a symbol of Guangzhou's enduring spirit. As night falls, the tower lights up, casting a radiant glow over the city, a testament to the vibrant energy and unyielding optimism that define Guangzhou. The Canton Tower, also known as Guangzhou Tower, is a marvel of engineering and design. Its structure, a hyperboloid, is formed by two ellipses rotating to create a waist-like curve. The tower seems to defy gravity, its latticework of steel and concrete both delicate and strong. At night, the tower transforms into a spectacle of light. Thousands of LED lights embedded in its structure come alive, bathing the tower in a kaleidoscope of colors that shift and change with the rhythm of the city. Imagine yourself standing at the base of the tower as night descends. The sky turns a deep indigo, and the city lights begin to twinkle like a million fireflies. Then the tower itself illuminates, a sudden burst of color against the darkening sky. The lights dance across the tower's curves, creating hypnotic patterns. Red, blue, green, and gold chase each other across the structure, transforming it into a giant, ever-changing piece of art. Step inside one of the high-speed elevators, and within seconds you're whisked hundreds of feet into the air. As you ascend, the city spreads out below you, a breathtaking tapestry of lights, buildings, and winding roads. Reaching the observation decks, you're greeted by panoramic views that stretch as far as the eye can see. The city unfolds beneath you, a glittering expanse that seems to stretch on forever. Section 5. Panoramic Vistas. From this vantage point, the Pearl River Delta is laid out in all its glory. The river, a ribbon of silver reflecting the city lights, winds its way through the urban landscape. Bridges like illuminated necklaces span the river, connecting the different districts of Guangzhou. The cityscape itself is a study in contrasts. Ancient temples and traditional houses nestle amongst towering skyscrapers and modern developments. The past and the present coexist in this vibrant metropolis. Section 6. The Pearl's Glow. As you gaze out at the city, you begin to understand why Guangzhou is known as the City of Flowers. The lights below twinkle like a vast field of fireflies, each one representing a life, a story, a dream unfolding in the urban tapestry. Above, The stars seem close enough to touch, a reminder of the vastness of the universe and the interconnectedness of all things. And at the center of it all, the Canton Tower stands tall, a beacon of hope and progress. Section 7, Urban Tapestry. Looking closer, you can pick out individual details in the urban tapestry. Here, a bustling night market, the air filled with the aroma of street food. There, a group of friends laughing together as they walk along the riverbank. Each light, each movement contributes to the symphony of city life. From this height, you're not just an observer, but a witness to the energy and dynamism of Guangzhou. Section 8. Reflections on the water. The Pearl River, reflecting the city lights, takes on a magical quality. As the sun sets and the city transitions into night, the river becomes a canvas for the vibrant lights of the city. Each building, each light is mirrored perfectly on the water's surface, creating a breathtaking spectacle that feels almost otherworldly. The reflections dance and shimmer as if the river itself is alive, breathing in the energy of the city and exhaling it back in a dazzling display of light and color. It's as if the city itself has been duplicated, its image shimmering on the water's surface. The buildings, tall and majestic, stand proud both on land and in their watery reflections. The river captures every detail, from the smallest window to the tallest spire, creating a mirror image that is both beautiful and surreal. The cityscape, with its myriad of lights, seems to float on the river, creating a dreamlike vision that captivates the heart and mind. The bridges, with their strings of lights, create trails of fire on the dark water. Each bridge, an architectural marvel, is adorned with lights that cast long, glowing trails on the river's surface. These trails, like fiery serpents, weave and wind their way across the water, adding to the magical ambience of the scene. The bridges connect not just the two sides of the river, but also the realms of reality and fantasy as their reflections blur the lines between the two. The gentle movement of the river adds another layer of magic, blurring the reflections and creating the illusion of a city floating on air. The water, never still, distorts the reflections just enough to make them seem ethereal, as if the city is a mirage, a vision that could disappear at any moment. This gentle motion, combined with the shimmering lights, creates a scene that is both dynamic and serene, a perfect blend of movement and stillness. The scene is both mesmerizing and calming, a reminder of the beauty that can be found in unexpected places. As you stand by the river, watching the reflections dance on the water, you can't help but feel a sense of peace and wonder. The city, with all its hustle and bustle, seems to slow down, allowing you to take in the simple yet profound beauty of the moment. It's a reminder that even in the midst of chaos, there is always a place where you can find tranquility and inspiration. Section 9, a symphony of light. As the night deepens, the lights of the Canton Tower continue their mesmerizing dance. The tower, standing tall and proud, becomes a beacon of color and light, drawing the eyes of all who pass by. Each light, each color seems to tell a story of a city that never sleeps, a city that is always alive and vibrant. The lights are not just for decoration, they are a celebration of life, a celebration of the spirit of Guangzhou. They shift and change, creating patterns that mimic the ebb and flow of the city below. The lights pulse in rhythm with the heartbeat of Guangzhou, a city that is constantly in motion. The patterns are ever-changing, never the same, just like the city itself. One moment, the tower is bathed in a soft, calming blue. The next, it is ablaze with fiery reds and oranges. It is a visual symphony, a dance of light that captivates and enchants. The tower becomes a living, breathing entity, reflecting the energy and spirit of Guangzhou. It stands as a testament to the city's resilience and its ability to adapt and thrive. The lights are a reflection of the city's soul, a soul that is vibrant, dynamic, and full of life. The Canton Tower is not just a landmark, it is a symbol of the city's identity, a beacon that shines brightly in the night, guiding and inspiring all who see it. The Canton Tower is more than just a structure of steel and glass. It is a marvel of modern engineering, a feat of human ingenuity. The design of the tower is both functional and beautiful, a perfect blend of form and function. The steel and glass that make up the tower are not just materials, they are the building blocks of a dream that has been realized in the form of this magnificent structure. It's a symbol of Guangzhou's past, present, and future. The tower stands as a bridge between the old and the new, a reminder of the city's rich history and its bright future. It is a symbol of progress, a testament to the city's ability to grow and evolve while still honoring its past. The Canton Tower is a beacon of hope, a symbol of the city's resilience and its ability to overcome any challenge. It's a testament to human ingenuity and the power of imagination. The design of the tower is a work of art, a masterpiece that showcases the creativity and innovation of its creators. The tower is a symbol of what can be achieved when we dare to dream, when we push the boundaries of what is possible. It is a reminder that with imagination and determination we can create something truly extraordinary. And it's a reminder that even in the midst of a bustling city, beauty can be found in the most unexpected places. The Canton Tower stands as a beacon of beauty, a shining example of what can be achieved when we take the time to look for it. It is a reminder that even in the busiest of places, there is always room for beauty, always room for something that can take our breath away. The Canton Tower is a symbol of hope, a reminder that beauty can be found in the most unexpected places if only we take the time to look for it.